Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee sorbet. First, you will combine 200 milliliters of water with 150 grams of granulated sugar in a saucepan. Place this over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down entirely. Once cool, stir in 150 milliliters of freshly brewed strong espresso. This forms your flavorful base. To elevate your sorbet's flavor, you might add a small pinch of vanilla extract for a subtle aromatic boost. For an adult twist and to help prevent excessive iciness, consider stirring in 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur or even vodka. It is crucial that your coffee mixture cools completely to room temperature before moving on. Then, refrigerate the entire mixture for a minimum of 2 hours, ensuring it is thoroughly chilled throughout. Now pour your thoroughly chilled coffee mixture into a freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for an initial 2 hours. After this time, remove the container and whisk the mixture vigorously to break up any forming ice crystals. This step is key for a smooth texture. Repeat this whisking process every 30 to 60 minutes. Continue freezing and whisking for a total of 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight, until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. When you are ready to enjoy your delicious coffee sorbet, remove it from the freezer and let it soften at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it easier to scoop and enhances its texture. Serve generous scoops into chilled bowls or glasses. For an extra touch, garnish with a dollop of freshly whipped cream or a light dusting of cocoa powder. Any leftover sorbet can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.